Welcome to the Freedom Culture. What is this banned Congressional Stock Trading Act bill that's currently pending to be passed? The banned Congressional Stock Trading Act bill requires each member of Congress to divest or place in a blind trust any specified investment owned by the member's spouse, or dependent of the member. This requirement applies for the entire period of the member's service in Congress and for 180 days after that service ceases. This bill is intended to prevent any further insider trading. Insider trading in this case is Congress being able to trade public, individual, company stocks with non-public information. That's cheating and
he must resign from the Senate and face prosecution.
Ultimately, this all comes down to greed.
It'll shock a lot of folks, but senators and members of the House are allowed to trade in individual stocks.
That's like referees being able to bet on games, throwing all kinds of texts at the opposing team. But referees enforce laws of games. Congress creates and changes existing laws that we're governed by. Politics involved in the stock market, wouldn't that cause a conflict of interest? See, here in 2008, just 12 days before economic meltdown, several members of Congress pulled their money out of the stock market. Congress had been forewarned about impending economic bombshell in secret meetings with the Treasury Department and the Fed, and they used that information to move their personal funds out of the market at lightning speed. Meanwhile, millions of Americans lost their homes and their life savings. They sold around here, the economy crashed around there.
The scope of what Congress is involved in has broadened dramatically. I mean, whether it's healthcare, whether it's defense, whether it's financial markets, and they have market-moving information, and they're going to act on that information. I mean, information is king.
Then we got the 2020 Congressional insider trading scandal, where Congress sold their stocks at the start of the pandemic right before it crashed after being tipped at a Senate meeting. They sold around here, the economy crashed around there, and things started to begin to pump around there for some reason. Plenty of Congress invested in tech stocks or vaccine companies after getting inside information or being tipped from Senate meetings. They almost made it illegal for you to speak of anything that might go against their investment. The average congressman already makes about like $200,000 a year. But insider trading is definitely a bonus when it comes to one of the perks of being in Congress. And there's tons of congressmen that's also heavily involved in cryptocurrency as they stifle competition, XRP. The recent update that I seen on this ban to keep Congress from investing in individual stocks is that Democrats has delayed the bill for after the election. I don't know how this has been okay for so long, but follow me for more updates on this.